What's going on, everyone? It's Connor from here at Snow Performance, and if you're tired of fuel pump upgrades that require rubber hoses, clamps, or unreliable lines, then we have exactly what you need with the nicest fuel hat assembly available on the market. Snow Performance fuel hats are engineered, CNC machined, and built right here in the USA from 6061 billet aluminum. These billet hats receive a black anodized finish for the ultimate in durability and corrosion resistance, making them compatible with E85 and other harsh fuels. No detail has been overlooked with these assemblies, as they are designed to eliminate any cheap hose clamps or flow restricting, leak prone, unreliable lines. Our CNC machined bodies feature Viton chemical resistant O-rings and guarantee a perfect leak free fit. Snow fuel hats completely replace your factory fuel hat or bucket for an easy installation while retaining your factory tank features, including the OE fuel level sending unit, the evap system, your filler neck, and if you have a saddle style tank, the fuel transfer pump functionality. Snow fuel hats are sold without the return and feed fittings so that you can get exactly what you need to feed your system. Depending on your vehicle's fuel demands, our fuel hats are configurable with a combination of 2 or 3 pumps for the highest possible flow. There are no knockoff pumps here. You're going to get OE reliability with the TI Automotive, or better known as Walboro fuel pumps, and flow rates of 450 liters per hour or 470 liters per hour. These truly are the best fuel hats on the market. For more information, visit us at www.snowperformance.net or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you'd like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.